On 17th March 2016, Honorable President of India, Shri Pranav Mukherjee, launched SIDBI Startup Mitra during the Festival of Innovations. The launch of the platform is in line with the objective of the government in forging innovation-led growth through various measures, including Startup Action Plan and Atal Innovation Mission. SIDBI Startup Mitra is an online startup ecosystem platform developed by SIDBI as part of its efforts to scale up initiatives targeted at entrepreneurship development. It provides an open engagement platform for startups to find suitable incubation programs, financing offers, and other useful resources to build their business ventures. SIDBI Startup Mitra aims to be the single window for startups to discover and transact various startup schemes launched by the central and state governments. To use the services provided by SIDBI Startup Mitra portal, entrepreneurs will have to first register their account on the portal by clicking the Register option in the top section of the website. Users should provide few simple details on the registration form, accept the terms of the portal, and click on the Register button. When portal registration is completed, a verification mail is sent to the user's email address provided during the registration. By clicking on the Verify Now link in the email, user account is activated. Now user can log in to access the services provided on the portal. User can find login option on the top section of the portal. When user clicks on login button after providing correct user ID and password, user is taken to their account homepage where multiple service options are displayed. By clicking on My Venture option, entrepreneur is taken to a page where various organizational details of startup venture should be entered and saved. Entrepreneur can add startup team members. The portal allows entrepreneurs to see their incubation details if they have been accepted into an incubation program through the portal. Entrepreneurs can also search for various incubation programs offered by incubators across the country by clicking on Incubators option in the top section of the portal, or by clicking on Apply for Incubation option in the Incubation Details section. Once user clicks on Apply for Incubation button, user is taken to incubator page. User can provide various filtering criteria to find incubation programs that are suitable for their venture support needs. User can apply for the incubation program of choice by clicking the Apply button available for every incubation program listing. Similarly, from the account homepage, entrepreneurs can click on Investments button to search for suitable funding options available on the portal offered by various financial institutions. Users can provide funding-specific filtering criteria to discover financing offers suitable for their needs. Another important feature provided by the SIDBI Startup Mitra portal is management of important venture artifacts. Entrepreneurs can access this service by clicking on My Venture option from the account homepage and then clicking on Documents option on the My Venture page. This page has facility to upload important startup documents such as business plan, financial plan, memorandum of association, etc. Users are also given flexibility to choose the privacy level of each document. User can restrict the visibility of the document to specific stakeholder groups such as investors, incubators, etc. SIDBI Startup Mitra platform offers a novel feature called Environment Scan for entrepreneurs who are developing new ideas. Environment Scan option is available on the top menu bar. Once user clicks on it, user is provided an idea search text box. User can type in important keywords describing the idea and click on the scan button. It performs an intelligent search on the internet and creates a tag cloud of related keywords for that idea. User can click on any keyword in the tag cloud to find out relevant resources such as startup listing, patents, research papers, etc. User can further click on specific resource button to browse those resources. Yet another useful feature for entrepreneurs is ecosystem option, which is also available on the top menu bar. When user clicks on it, user is taken to ecosystem page where user can see listing of ecosystem members such as mentors, advisors and service providers. User can filter the ecosystem listing by selecting options provided on the left panel of the page. Soon, platform will also provide facility to invite listed ecosystem members for engagement.